Away they go. The chosen one fast to begin. Famous girl, down on the inside, heartbreak kid. And under, father outside, 3A purely Kali. Then comes Batcom. Down on the inside, stand by your man, famous girl, Tebak C. Entry number 2, Green Street Spellbinder. The chosen one, stand by your man. And on the outside is purely Kali, heartbreak kid, but come in the middle, running in 6-step Baxi, famous girl. And hitting the last 600, the chosen one by 3/4 of a length. And purely Kali from the outside, heartbreak kid, the Baxi, and rushing up but comes Spellbinder. Rounding the far turn, the chosen one by a length and a half, the Baxi from the outside, and famous girl on the further outside as they race the final corner. The chosen one by a length and a half. Famous girl on the further outside, and Baxi, and nearing the finish line. The chosen one increasing its marker by about 2 lengths, and famous girl is on the outside, and nearing the finish line. Number 7, the chosen one. Famous girl, Spellbinder, Tebaxi, Purely Kali, Batcom, Green Street, Heartbreak Kid, and Stand By Your Man, Kamsla.